So I think we're recording now. So what's this one going to be called?
Robin Laughing Bird.
Robin Laughing Bird.
These are all great floats, right, Batgirl? Yep. And Robin, yeah, you know my laughing bird with all this cute done. You know, Robin, you don't always need to ride the same float. Well, yeah, wait, where did the float train go? This is
Float
our
train.
time.
Yo, it somehow disappeared.
Oh no,
What? Maybe a villain took it.
I wouldn't be a bit surprised.
Let's see.
Yeah, I wonder who
Let's
took
pick.
it.
Let's
Let's find out.
Lex Luthor or Bane. Could be anyone.
Yeah, because there's a lot.
There's a lot of bad guys.
Let's go.
I wonder who did it.
I don't know.
To the Batmobile.
Oh, to the Batmobile. I think it's time to go find out.
Yeah, who had stolen the float train?
Yep. There they go. Oh, boy, he's zoomed. He's serious about going somewhere. It's
This is a wonderful train. Stop right there, Riddler.
Said the Riddler.
it was a Riddler?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
The dynamic duo. Catch me if you can.
I don't think they can.
I have an idea. We could get there faster than the Riddler.
It's faster than
What
that
was
float.
that?
Yeah.
No matter. I'll get the other floats. Alright, gather them in a circle. Don't worry, my laughing bird was. We don't need only to protect your favorite. We also need to protect every float.
Yeah, not only the laughing bird,
Yeah.
also every
Oh.
float.
Yep.
Not just the laughing bird.
I have another float.
He has a boat float.
Let's see.
I guess.
It's the boat one.
I see.
The boat float.
I see.
It's the boat.
We can take the
It's
float.
the boat one.
Faster.
So they're going to take the boat float.
Actually, the
Oh,
Riddler
hello
I
there.
see.
has the train float and even the
Boat float. Wow.
Willow, what are you doing? Not only the Willow's on this.
Uh-oh.
the Joker.
The Joker's there.
Joker, what are you both doing together? Wonderful, Patsy. These devices are evil robots. And even they are getting controlled by my evil mind. And
Joker's
even
mind.
Yeah.
this.
Joker's
We'll
evil
start
mind.
I think so.
spooking them by the smoke
The evil
and
robot
gloomy
devices
eye.
get controlled by
No one would
Joker's
dare to
evil
leave
mind.
the house, which means I'll take over Gotham City.
Once again, he's going to take over Gotham City.
Well, guess what?
What do you think he is? What?
That would never
the
happen,
robot
Joker.
devices get controlled by Joker's evil
Really?
mind.
Mhm.
I just put two floats into my control, and even. Now I'm about to turn the other floats evil. Quickly, get the floats away before they turn evil, or just like the Joker did it.
Oh, they got to get the floats
After
away.
them.
Before they're turned evil.
Yep.
Before they're turned evil.
Yep.
Before it happens.
Yep.
Before it is turned
I'm a
what?
pirate, Joker. I
Evil.
know how to do this. Oh.
Do you know what those evil robot devices
Grab
get
them in a
controlled
circle.
The Joker's mind. His evil mind.
by? Yeah.
Do it.
And do you know what he has here?
I don't know. What?
An antenna.
Oh.
That's what he has.
That must be how he controls the robots. The float.
Are you clever?
floats are
Besides,
evil robots.
Yeah.
you wonder how I get controlled by my
floats
antenna
are
right
Evil
here.
robots, yeah.
The floats are evil robots.
Yep. Now this plan may work
Or not.
or not.
They turn the laughing bird evil.
That's terrible.
Come over here. And quickly do. You take off the device. Oh no, my weapon. My laughing bird. The Joker's taking it over with his evil mind.
Oh, gee.
Joker took it over by his evil mind.
Oh, gee.
Joker's taking it over
Yeah.
by his evil mind.
I tell you, I think he may take over Gotham City this time.
Besides, he's taking it over by his evil mind.
Yeah.
He's taking it over by his evil mind.
I think the Joker may win this time.
Or not.
Or not. What's he gonna do now?
Joker's taking over by his evil mind.
Oh.
He has Batman and Robin now.
Uh-huh.
But they forgot someone. Batgirl.
Oh, good.
And Batman Robot.
Oh, good.
Our plan will work perfectly. And once we capture Batgirl, we'll be scaring the streets with everyone. And of course, the gluey eyes and all of that. Hey, stop copying me. I
Were they
wish
not
I
getting
never
along?
asked you to join me. Oh boy, Joker. This was wonderful. You wouldn't even happen thanks to the Riddler pirate.
Well, they think they've got it
You're
going now.
not a pirate, Riddler. You're a villain. I am the Riddler pirate. You're not a pirate.
Batgirl's rescue.
The Joker is telling the Riddler he's not a pirate.
Yeah.
We can still
He's telling him he's not
But
a
how are
pirate.
you supposed to do that, Robin? The Joker's in control of it. You're not a pirate, Willow. You're a villain.
You'd think you'd learn.
Yeah, he's saying the Riddler's not a pirate.
Yeah.
You were kicked as a fan to blow to hit the tender on the Joker's head. He's not going to be able to control the floats.
He won't be able to
No.
control it.
Go, Batgirl, go.
Hey, you bit at my tenor. Now, let's take off the devices.
Now they're back.
Ha! All the devices may have been taken off, but we can still use one.
They think they can.
Yeah, they have the boat float.
Yep. There goes the boat float.
Joker's
Don't get it away.
what the
One float is enough. I'll turn it into an evil rabbit to take over the city.
But they had stopped at a well.
What?
Yep.
The red
Because of
light.
Batman
Are you
and
kidding me, Joker? Willow. I'm sure there might be into ingestion with this. That means you get caught, sugar in the willow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, looks like Batgirl's gonna win. And Batman. And Robin. Once
The
again.
light. How are you supposed to know when it's gonna turn red? Thanks to Batman robot for controlling it. A man that beaten by a traffic light. I'll get you next. time, Batman. I'll get you for this